Hi guys! Welcome back to Unfolding Kate. Okay, so last episode we talked about boundaries. And if you watched that episode, thank you so much for staying. So today I want to continue that conversation because I realized after learning how to set boundaries, there's another lesson that life taught me the hard way. And that is you can save everyone. Yes. I don't know if it is just me ha, pero feeling ko marami sa atin ang ganito. Kapag may taong nahihirapan, automatic gusto natin silang tulungan. Kapag may taong umiiyak, we want to comfort them. Kapag may taong nawawala, we immediately think, ano bang pwede kong gawin para gumaan yung pakiramdam niya? Ay nako, sinasabi ko sa inyo, there's nothing wrong with that. Actually, maganda nga yun. It means marunong kang magmahal. It means marunong kang makaramdam. Pero alam nyo, kung saan ako nagkamali. I thought it was my responsibility to save everyone. Parang feeling ko kapag mahal ko yung isang tao, responsibilidad kong ayusin yung buhay niya. Na responsibilidad kong tanggalin yung pain niya, responsibilidad kong hanapin or hanapan siya ng solusyon. And looking back, na-realize ko, hindi pala. Kasi, alam mo yun, at the end of the day, kahit mahal natin yung tao or kahit karelasyon pa natin yung tao, individual pa rin tayo. Dapat tayo mismo sa sarili natin, yung nag-iisip, unang-una, na ayusin yung sarili natin. Because habang sobrang focus akong alagaan yung ibang tao, hindi ko namalayan, ako naman yung unti-unting napapabayaan. Gets nyo ba? Parang sobrang busy mong siguraduhin na okay ang lahat. Pero ikaw mismo, hindi mo na na-check kung okay ka pa ba. Again, based lang talaga ito sa experiences ko ha. Hindi ko sinasabing mali ang tumulong. Please don't get me wrong. Helping people is a beautiful thing. But there's a huge difference between helping someone and carrying a responsibility that was never yours to begin with. Magkaiba yun. Kasi alam nyo, may mga laban sa buhay na kahit paano or kahit gaano mo kagustong ilaban para sa isang tao, hindi mo talaga pwedeng gawin. Kasi sila lang mismo ang pwedeng lumaban nun. You can pray for them? Yes. You can support them? Yes. You can remind them that they're not alone? Of course, you can do that. But at the end of the day, the decision will always be theirs. And I think, isa ito sa pinakamahirap tanggapin. Especially kung katulad kita. Yung tipo ng tao na kapag mahal mo, talagang ibibigay mo lahat. Time, energy, understanding, presence, everything. Pero alam mo, there comes a point where you have to ask yourself, hanggang saan? Hanggang kailan? Because if you're always pouring into someone else's cup without checking your own, darating yung time na ikaw naman yung mauubusan. Totoo yun. May natutunan din ako this year. And I hope this helps someone who's watching this. You are not responsible for fixing people. You're responsible for loving them the best way you can. Pero hindi mo trabaho baguhin sila. Hindi mo trabaho na pilitin silang mag-heal. Hindi mo trabaho na gawin ang healing para sa kanila. Because healing is a personal decision. At gusto kong sabihin ito, especially sa mga katulad kong natural na giver, listener, natural na people pleaser noon. Yes, nung kabataan ko, lalo na nung 20s ko, ay nako. Please remember this, you deserve the same kindness that you keep giving to everyone else. Hindi lang ibang tao ang deserve ng patience mo. Hindi lang ibang tao ang deserve ng understanding mo. Ikaw rin, syempre. So today, I want to leave you with this question. Who are you trying so hard to save while slowly losing yourself? Maybe it's time to let them walk their own journey. Not because you don't love them anymore, but because you finally learned that love doesn't always mean carrying someone's life on your shoulders. Sometimes, love also means trusting that they'll find their own way. Diba? Ang ganda. Kala mo senior na no? Again, I'm not sharing this because I have everything figured out. I'm still learning every single day. I'm still making mistakes. I'm still growing, okay? And maybe that's what this channel is really about, growing together, one chapter at a time. If somehow this episode found you today, I hope you remember this. You don't have to save everyone. Sometimes the person you've been forgetting to save is yourself. Okay? Yun lang. Thank you for spending a few minutes with me. I'm Kate, and this is Unfolding Kate. See you in the next chapter. Bye!